Here's the state of my hovercraft so far. It's made out of just some old insulating material and some boards and stuff. It has one motor for the down thrust to fill up the envelope. And on the back it uses differential thrust instead of a rudder. So it's got two motors with controllers. The servo here, that's just showing the position of the motor so that I can fiddle with the PID parameters without having the motor spin up. The interesting thing is I'm doing the software myself. So I've got this old flip board here, and this is basically a Arduino Pro Mini with a gyro on it. And I've got Bluetooth so I can get some telemetry data. In fact, you can kind of see the telemetry data there. And then it's got the receiver plugged into that. The interesting thing that I haven't seen anybody else done is I wanted to do some testing on the PID controller, and so I wanted to put it on like a Lazy Susan or something, which I didn't have. And it occurred to me that I could just pop the bell off of some old motor, some old busted motor, and then after stripping out the magnets and wires and stuff, I was able to get that together, and now I have a really nice turntable that I can use for PID tuning and other kinds of testing. So I've got, you can see here, well, I actually haven't started doing the PID testing. Well, I've started doing the PID testing, but not quite tuning, so it's in pretty bad shape. But you can see here, we can spin the motors up. And that gives a pretty nice test bed. And then you can see over here on the Arduino monitor that you can see, the error corrections and stuff like that. Anyways, it's kind of a work in progress, but I wanted to kind of stick this up. And I thought it was an interesting idea to have to use the motor as basically a Lazy Susan base. And I thought that might be a useful idea to some people.